Hey man, stay in your car for me. Yo, stay in your car for me. Yo, no, stay in your car. Central, I got one running. White male, white and blue shirt. Northbound on Ridgewood, coming up to Bevel. Hello,
My bad, boss. What did I do?
It's all right.
I'm trying to get to work.
I get you. It's the illegal change of lane. I got you. Listen, it's the illegal change of lane. All right.
Okay.
I'll be honest with you. I'm not going to bug you too much about it. I got you. But obviously, I'm right there. The public sees you do it. If I don't do anything about it, they complain. It's my ass. All right. Do you have your license with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you have a license?
Yeah. My name's Richard Phillips. I'm on the 818 Fence Company.
All right. Hold on. I'll try to make this quick. All right, real quick, anything illegal in the car I should know about? Guns, drugs?
No,
Okay.
just work shit.
Central, can you copy another floor time for me? 5-2. Looks like a sheep. And you got some background, maybe I missed it. Romeo Echo, India, Echo 27. Negative, that's going to be Romeo Echo, India, Echo 37. Alright, we'll reach that limit to an address off turn, Silver Jeep.
Hey man, stay in your car for me. Yo, stay in your car for me. Yo, no, stay in your car. Central, I got one running. White male, white and blue shirt. Northbound on Ridgewood, coming up to Bevel. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased.
31 is at you. Look at them, I'm out. Delta 15, Delta 21.
Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground and shoot you! Get on the ground! Get on the ground and tase your ass! Get on the fucking ground. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back!
RC.
Central, one at taser point.
Central, what's your exact location?
I'm in jail.
Jones Street.
Right now.
He's on Jones Street.
Hands behind your fucking back!
You fucking move.
Central, I have a civilian helping me.
Civilian helping 909.
One detained. Thank you, man.
Wrong turn. Wrong turn.
Stupid motherfucker. What the fuck is wrong with you, dude?
I got kids, man.
Why run?
I work.
That was the dumbest shit.
It's all good, bro.
Yo, 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 yo! Yo!
Unit 20, go ahead.
If you can get a statement to him from too.
Only 7 search traffic. There's 7 clear. 0911.
The other side of Ridgewood.
Make it 321 Rutledge Central. Where they got him at? 321 Roberts. Rutledge Central.
We can go to my truck.
Did you give me a fake name or is that real?
We can go to here and we'll bring him over here.
Huh?
No,
Real?
no, it's fake.
Okay. You're getting 2 resisting charges.
Have anything that's gonna poke or harm me?
No.
Anything pointed or blades? Any weapons?
Oh, that's another charge.
Huh?
That's another felony charge.
What?
Suboxone. Oh yeah.
So that's it?
Another felony. Yeah. 15 Delta, 31 Central.
31.
Adult male, 1015.
At 10 over. Center 9 X-ray 51 for each for the Luke Park.
Car wash. This guy knows good car wash.
This is her ID if you want to give it to her. Yeah. Oh.
I signed, I didn't approve it. It just couldn't show.
Yeah.
I just got my summary.
Dude, thank you for not shooting me, man. They said that you fucking see me going in my pocket. I was trying to grab my phone, so I called my wife.
Yeah, I know, but when you're running from the police, it's probably not smart to be digging in your pockets and stuff.
I was just trying to get a call in before to her. That's when my cousin called and I answered him. Thank you
I mean,
for not shooting me,
and
bro.
especially in my position too.
No, you're dead right.
You know what I mean? Like that's
Yeah.
a really, really bad spot.
I heard you say, I'll shoot. And I'm thinking, for what? But I was going to my pocket. You're 100% right.
All right.
1,000% right, bro. Thank you for not shooting me, man. I got a fucking wife and 2 kids, man.
So really quick, man, do you have a prescription for Suboxone?
That's my wife's.
It's your wife's Suboxone?
She's got a
I know.
prescription for
Listen,
it.
man, you
And
can't.
she's got herpes medication.
You can't have that in your
I know.
in your wallet, dude. Now you're in constructive possession of it, and it's not yours. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like,
I got her herpes medication too in my cooler.
okay,
But
all right.
I'm
gonna be searching the vehicle. Okay, is there anything in the vehicle I should know about?
just the medication, but it's in my bag.
All right. Yeah. Hopefully you're not stolen.
No, nobody can get near it.
Okay.
You'll have to stay back over there. Okay?
Oh no, that's why we wanted to talk with y'all first.
Well, she came up. Oh, I don't know if y'all know who she is, but she came up yelling at us and everything like that. So that's what we expected.
Oh no, the boss has sent us up here to grab the materials out of the truck, and if y'all were cool, we were going to leave with the truck. But if y'all going to impound it, can we get the fence material out of the back of it?
We're gonna figure out what's going on first, and then we'll let you know.
Yeah, you guys can just hang out once we.
Yeah, I just want to be on the same page with y'all.
So why was he being pulled over?
They were nice. I don't know.
Oh, you wanted to pull over officer. Sorry. Like I said, I'm just frantic, so I didn't mean to be an asshole.
It's okay.
Because I know I was.
It's all right.
So I apologize.
You're fine.
So he got pulled over right here.
Yeah, he got pulled over right here. I'll fill you on as much as I can fill you on once we're finished. If you wait over there, do you know them?
Yeah.
If you wait over
They're
there.
going to come help me because I don't want to have to pay for the impound and all that. You know, because this is like, I don't work and he works, and so it's a lot right now.
Well, just for now, just hang tight with them or hang tight over there, just not right here. And then I promise to fill you in on what's going on when we're finished, okay?
Daddy kiss.
I'm sorry, look how scared she was. I'm sorry, baby. Now listen,
Here, don't go in the patrol car.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're good.
Can I? No, he said he doesn't want. Can I do it if I do this? Cause she's
I don't care. I just gotta be able to see
I apologize.
Yo, just sell the Cadillac, bro, for $4 or $5 grand. That'll get you fucking.
I'm not gonna be able to sell that for.
Yeah, I told her already.
Yeah, sorry. I apologize. Sorry about that.
It's all good.
No, I didn't pay that much. I paid $6,000.
Step off in the car.
Oh, I just was. They said it was okay, but.
Oh, no, I would rather you step away from the car.
Okay. He's fine. We'll stay back to work. Yeah, well, we know better.
Everything's done. I'm just gonna take them from here.
Love you. I'm sorry, little one. How scared she was. I'm sorry, baby.
Well, at least I'm not pregnant.
Alright,
We had a good
wrap it up.
couple weeks.
All right.
Can I give him a kiss? Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Hey, Daddy kissing. Thank you very much. You're very nice. Thank you guys.
Yep,
I
no problem.
appreciate it.
Thanks again for not shooting my ass, bro.
I'm gonna be out with the juvenile Nicholas and I'm good for it.
Sorry about that, fella.
Come on. We're not doing that.
Thank you, man.
the American Kennel Club here. They also.
I'll give you.
Shit. Yeah.
Sorry, did you say you could have water?
At the PD, you can.
Yeah, the guy with the hat said he could give me a water.
Yeah. I'm already done, so I'm just gonna take them out.
Yeah, just take them out.
Okay. Yeah, they'll give you stuff at the jail.
X-ray 51 to Central. Can you copy 1-4 to 10? Man, X-ray 51.